In this video, you'll learn how to link tasks in Asana. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to connect tasks within your projects to enhance organization and tracking. To begin, open the Asana application on your desktop mobile device or through a web browser. Ensure that you are logged into your account. It is important to be in the correct workspace where the tasks you wish to link are located. This step is crucial as it determines the context of the tasks you will be working with. Next, locate the task you want to connect with another task. Click on this task. Once you do, the task details panel will open. Here, you will see various options, comments, and settings that help you to organize your work more effectively. Make sure to verify that this is the task you intend to link before proceeding. After that, in the task details, look for the option that allows you to add a related task. This may be labeled as add related task, or you might see an area where you can paste another task link. Click on this option to proceed with linking. It's important to ensure you have the correct task in mind to maintain clarity in your project. Then you can either select the task from a list or paste the link of the task you want to connect. Once you have made your selection or pasted the link, confirm the action. This confirmation will create a link between the tasks. You should see a visual indication that the tasks are now connected, which will facilitate better tracking of dependencies. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to link tasks in Asana. This feature will help you manage your projects more efficiently. Thanks for watching and see you soon.